Hello again and welcome to another video from the Marketing Study Guide. My name is Jeff and today I'm going to talk about why this is such a bad perceptual map. The problem is we see this so much. This is actually in marketing textbooks and on many websites that talk about perceptual maps, and they typically show low quality, low price, high price. This is just a perceptual map you should never use. It tells us nothing. Let's have a look. I've mapped some pretend brands along here, and what we generally see is a straight line. They are correlated. Why are they correlated? Because in the consumer's minds, there is a connection between price and quality. So if you walk into a store and there's some smart TVs or computers in the store, and then that one is $500, and that one is $1,000, you go, that's a better one because it's more money. It has higher quality. So consumers automatically make these the same attributes. Okay, so when you map it on a perceptual map, you are going to have this strong positive correlation. Okay, so what's really wrong with this map? Let's dig down. Firstly, price is given. It's in the marketplace. We can go, oh, that's a $1,000 computer, so we put that here. Or that's a $500 computer, we put that there. We're not mapping perceptions. We are mapping actual marketing mix decisions rather than perceptions. So when we ask consumers, what's your perception of that brand, high or low quality? Oh, that's pretty high, that's probably a 7, it's up here. The other brand, oh, that's not so good. Oh, that's 3, that's down here. And it creates this connection between them. Okay, not good there. This map tells us nothing. We are looking for insights and understanding of the marketplace, and we could guess this. There's nothing here that is helpful for us as marketers digging in. Now we've got to think about our role as marketing and analysing and getting information out. What we're looking for is to find insights. We want to use perceptual maps to dig through and find information that we don't already have, to uncover things about competitors, gaps in the marketplace, how our marketing is performing, what competitors are doing, etc. But there's nothing here, there's nothing new. Okay, so anytime we see a correlation, avoid correlation. If we get this pattern that way or flat line or whatever, that means that those two attributes in the consumer's mind are the same thing. So if we may be asked about quality and status, we may get the same correlation. And again, if we're mapping the same attribute twice, in essence, it's telling us nothing. So please never use this perceptual map. Look at more interesting attributes, find things that tell us something about the market. Okay, hopefully you liked that video. Please like it and please subscribe to the channel.